Ya sanibona, uma ngabe umuntu ongathanda ukuthi ulalele iy'ndaba zabantu, ongayithandi iy'ndaba zabantu futhi ongathanda ukuyilalela, phuma kule video. In fact, uphume kuleli page. Nina-ke nisele ake sikhulume ngey'ndaba zaseMzumbe. So, kunomuntu obuzile laphayana in one of my posts ukuthi how come I have not spoken about what is happening eMzumbe, iskandali lesiya semine. Okay. Now you guys, nginama-page awu-2 la ku-Facebook bese ngiphinda ngibe nenqwaba yama-channels there on YouTube. Kodwa ama-channels awu-2 are active. It's Reality Buzz TV and it is Ntando Mamdletshe Gwala. Now, on Reality Buzz TV, ila ngikhuluma khona ama-reality shows and any other news that have to do with reality shows. And I think I've done like maybe 2 or 3 videos talking about this lithium mine eseMzumbe. And ngiqala ukukhuluma ngayo kakhulu when umndeni wakaMseleku decided to move from uMzumbe. Khumbulani guys ukuthi ishow sesibuke for isikhathi eside, and for years there was never any mention yokuthi abantu bakaMzumbe they are planning to move away from uMzumbe. The only person ebekunokuba ngazi ukuthi ubuye ahlala eThekwini, it was uMakhumalo because of umsebenzi. From the time ishow iqala vele wayewumuntu even enza ama-interviews uyasho ukuthi isikhathi esiningi ube-spend eseThekwini bese eya eMzumbe ngama-weekends. So her buying a home eThekwini, it wouldn't be a shock because of that reason vele ngoba ubehlezi esho ukuthi most of her work useThekwini. Now, into esurprisile most of us was when one season, without even laying a foundation for that storyline, sisijwayele ukuthi okay, everyone is looking for a house. It was like the show was about something else, and then one episode, boom, uMseleku use-home loans, ama-loans are-approviwe, amakhosikazi they must look for the houses and they must rush. It did feel like they were rushing to leave uMzumbe. Now, mawubuka uMzumbe homestead, you guys, it was like, how? But sewakhe kangaka ekhaya, sewakhe kangaka, and it looked like the wives were not complaining about ukuhlala elokhuzeni eMzumbe. What is the rush ukuthi basuke eMzumbe? Around that time, you guys, kuye kwaqala iy'nkulumo zokuthi hayibo abantu bakaMseleku they are not revealing ukuthi i-reason besuka eMzumbe is because of the mines. Now I remember ukuthi ngenkathi uMseleku ekwi-Real Housewives of Durban benoMakhumalo ekhuluma laphayana nomkhwenyana kaSorisha, wathi uMseleku, now I am now getting involved in mining. So I did wonder, you guys, if uMseleku does have some kind of a shareholding kuleya mine le elapha eMzumbe. Now, asikhulume ngendaba ye-mine, you guys. Uma ngabe kusuke kuzominwa in the community, first, i-discovery of whatever it is that they have discovered endaweni kusuke kuyinto enhle, because uma be-discover ukuthi kunaleyo nto mhlawumbe njengoba bethi eMzumbe kune-lithium, if bethi kunegolide, if bethi whatever it is that they discover kuleyo community, it's a good thing ukuthi ibe discovered leyo nto ngoba it means ukuthi lowo mhlaba lowo u-rich, lowo mhlaba lowo ucebile. Okay, now moving forward and mining whatever it is leni mayinayo, vele isuke leyo nto izodestroya umhlaba. Not only is it going to be inconvenient for abantu abahlala around that area in terms of like bazobe bebhesta, kuzoba nothuli, kuzoba nemsindo, kuzobe kuhamba all kinds of ama-trucks nogandaganda bakhula emgwaqweni yabo, umgwaqo uzomosheka, kuningi okumoshekayo while they are trying to get to that very same thing that is making the land rich. After they are done mining, lowo mhlaba lowo akubi umhlaba abantu abakwazi ukuthi bahlale kuwona. Now and then izindlu ziyadilika, now and then imhlaba ilokhuzana imigwaqo iyacracker. So kahle kahle nje if they start mining la uhlala ngakhona, oh, you should be worried ukuthi at some point umhlaba even initshalo izinto azizomila because sebekhiphile le yanto le eyenza umhlaba ube rich basebenzisa wonke la malokhuzana ama-tools abasebenzisayo to mine. Once they are done, usually umhlaba kusuke ngase wona umhlaba okwazi ukuthi kuhlale khona abantu. Now recently uSifiso Madlala did an interview ku Newsroom Africa ekhuluma ngayo yona leyo nto. Uthi uSifiso Madlala inkinga eMzumbe is that sekuyamayinwa already kodwa ama-consultations awenziwanga nabantu baseMzumbe. Uthi problem makusuke kuzomayinwa kwe-community kanjeya ama-mining companies avele afike akhulume nabantu aba-prominent kuleyo community, ba-negotiate nabo, then they start mining. Kodwa uthola ukuthi abantu okuyibona bona abahleli emhlabeni aba-onayo umhlaba, they don't get a chance to express if they want imine to go ahead and mine or not, if they are willing to move to another place. Uthi noma abantu sebe-move, most of the time they are forced to move. Who wants to move from a place? Mangathiwa nje angimove ekhaya eMzinyathi la ngazalelwe khona esekhaya, it's not going to be the same issue. Even if they offer you money to go build somewhere else, it's not going to be the same. So uthi now with that mine, imine insist ukuthi they did do ama-consultations. But suspicious ukuthi they started mining so quick because they have to contact every single family that lives in the area. They have to explain what the mine is, how the mine is going to affect them. And they have to be able to negotiate with them in the move. If the families are saying, umhlaba wobaba lozalelwe lana, we do not want to move, that is a problem. So the fact that eMzumbe kunabantu abathi they are affected by imine abafuni futhi ukumove kodwa imine iyaqhubeka iyamine is suspicious ukuthi lama consultations abawenzile bawenze nobani. Now we see umndeni wakaMseleku moving from eMzumbe in a rush. I am not saying they moved because of the mine, but there are possibilities. Because let me tell you something, there was a kind of a rush. Because Umseleku already had houses, eMzumba, makhosikazi akahleli, settled. But kune season where everybody was being rushed to look for a house, except for Macele, ngoba Macele already didn't live in eMzumba. After that, it looked like every house was falling apart somehow. Every house is cracked, Jojo Bayawa, this and this and that. So it looks like the homestead yaseMzumbe deteriorated at a higher rate. It deteriorated at a quicker rate. Bese konakala yonke into ukuthi hawu kanjani ngoba labantu ade behlele eMzumbe ku right now, all of a sudden yonke into kuyakheleka lana kunjani lana sekukuningi. So ukuthi abantu basola ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi abantu bakaMseleku basuswe imine lapha la behlala khona eMzumbe, it's not unreasonable ngoba uyabona vele ukuthi i-rush is one sign. Number two, ukuguga komuzi immediately after they moved nako kuyasolisa. Now you guys, into ke engaba iskandal is if we find out ukuthi abantu bakaMseleku are part of the mine, because that means that they did not even care enough about their neighbors to sit down with their neighbors and say, listen, this is how that mine is going to affect you. Because bona banemali, they can move away. There are families abakhile laphayana eMzumbe, bakhe izindlu zangempela, they are settled. They are not going to have imali njengabantu bakaMseleku to immediately move somewhere else. So if umndeni wakaMseleku is benefiting from the mine, and the very same family that is prominent in the community quickly moves out of Umzumbe, what does that mean for the people that live in Umzumbe and they don't have the resources to quickly go apply for a home loan, a loan, and nabo ba move? What's going to happen to those people? What's going to happen to those people's homes? Now, when Usifiso Madlala is doing an interview, he does say, well, sometimes they do consultations with Amakos. Now, we don't know if they did speak to Inkosi Madlala and Inkosi Madlala gave a go-ahead. When he gave a go-ahead, what motivated him to give that go-ahead? inayo yini right uchief endaweni unayo yini right ukuthi go ahead and mine without the community saying we are okay with them going ahead and mining. Also, enye issue abantu abakhuluma ngayo when it comes to that mine is that if something like that is happening in the community, it must create jobs. Abanye abantu have said ukuthi they don't see that happening. They still have youth ehlele emakhaya engasebenzi kodwa eminini kuyaminwa, they don't know who works there kodwa imine is in their community. Besides the dust that they are talking about, besides the noise that they are talking about that they have to deal with all the time. Now, involvement kaMseleku with mine is not confirmed. We just know that when he was on Real Housewives of Durban, he did speak about the fact that he was about to be involved in mining lithium. Now, there is a video as well that was posted by Khumalo ehleli in the car saying that I have to sit in the car now because today we are fasting. So she was at the mine waiting for the day that they were going to fast, which is the thing that affects the community. When you look at Khumalo, when she's going to work, she will be wearing these overalls written Allegro. If you go and search Allegro, what Allegro Safety is, they say that it's a company that works with mines and they provide safety and security for the mines. When you ask if Khumalo has ownership in the company, they say no on Google, but they say Khumalo is, listen to this one, Khumalo is a community liaison. I'm never able to pronounce this word, you guys. What basically means is that she is that person that is supposed to liaise between the mine and the community. So basically, my understanding is that if I wanted information on whether the community has been involved and educated and approved of the mining company, because mining company is a mining company, they're not from Mzumbe. Whoever is involved in them must have got shares maybe, or whatever, but it's a mining company that has mined someone else, they came to mine. And Khumalo, the company that she works for, provides safety and security, and she is the community liaison, Khumalo. So she will be the one that would know if the consultations have taken place with every single family that has built Mzumbe that they have approved. She would have that information. In a way that I understand her position, that is what they are saying online. Now, you guys, there are many questions that are not answered. It is very suspicious that they will suddenly move from Mzumbe after they start mining. It is suspicious that Mzumbe, even before we heard about the mine, he mentions that he was going to be mining lithium. Now, with the community complaining that they were not consulted, even some of them that said they were consulted, but they did tell them that, listen, this is our land, we do not want to move. But the mine went ahead and mined in the place. And if umndeni kaMseleku is benefiting from all of this, do they even care about the community yaseMzumbe? If the land Mzumbe is going to be negatively affected, why rush and leave Mzumbe without even trying to save your community? Because you were supposed to be this prominent person, Mzumbe. Mseleku noNkosi uMadlala should have done something to save the community. But-ke kuningi singakwazi, you guys, kodwa eMzumbe kuyaminwa, and uSifiso Madlala was doing an interview saying that the community was not really properly consulted about this whole situation. And also he was saying, even if they offer them to move, usually you are moved to a place where you don't want to move to. And the thing is, they are already mining. The land is already getting affected. So that is it, you guys, about the mine. I have spoken about it before, but some information we don't know. And also, after the complaints started in the community, then Mseleku went silent about the being like mining the lithium. he went quiet. So now we don't even know if he's still involved or not, or maybe because when he saw how it was going to affect the community, he withdrew. We don't know because they are not talking about it. They are making sure that they're not talking about it. The only way we know that they have some kind of association with it is because Khumalo always posts about that company that she works for. Now, you guys, that's all that we know, okay? Goodbye. Ya sanibona uma umuntu ongayithanda indaba zabantu ungahlali kule video kanti futhi uma umuntu ongathanda ukulalela abanye abantu bekhuluma indaba zabantu phuma kuleli page phuma uphele nje ninake nithanda indaba zabantu uzane sikhulume ngale ndaba yemayini yaseMzumbe. Now kune viewer or follower ebuze lo mbuzo lo uthi no bengabuza umbuzo ube comment. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi bengikhuluma ngendaba yale mine le yaseMzumbe and ama possibilities ukuthi abantu bakaMseliku kahle kahle bamove eMzumbe bebalekela indaba yemine. Okay, now all of that is not confirmed, you guys. It's speculations. Now somebody said ukuthi but uMakhumalo imine ayisebenzelayo is not the same as the mine yaseMzumbe, the mining company le emina eMzumbe, uyabo. Now ngase ngiyahamba ke mina ngaya Google ngathi Google iyiphi i-mining company emina eMzumbe. Ngibuza uGoogle ngoba phela uGoogle wazi zonke indaba. Wabuyisa i-answer uGoogle wathi tada fundani la. Ngeke ngize nginifundele fundani la. Niyabona lamagama la. Ngicela nibuke i-overall kaMakhumalo. Umbuzo wami utheni Google uthe Google, what is the name of the mining company that is mining lithium eMzumbe? And this is what Google said. Look at the overall kaMakhumalo and look at the name mentioned here. Do we know for sure? Of course not. Google ubuya beseceleni kodwa into engisho ngithi buka i-overall kaMakhumalo bese ubuka ukuthi Google uthi ubani omina eMzumbe. Then you can choose for yourself, you guys. Sivumelekile kuba nama opinions. Mina, I think the whole thing is suspicious. Nothing is confirmed, but the whole thing is suspicious. It will be very disappointing to find out ukuthi abantu bakaMseliku are gaining from a mine while umhlaba waseMzumbe is getting destroyed. It will be very, very disappointing. So I'm hoping against all odds that they have nothing to do with that mine, that all of this information that we are finding out has nothing to do with them, because I think of umndeni kaMseliku as people that care about the community yaseMzumbe. So it will be disappointing to think ukuthi they went ahead and saved themselves, and on top of that they are gaining from the mine that is going to possibly destroy the land la abantu khona who are not as rich as them live. But yeah guys, zonke izinto ziyavela. Even Osbiya, no Bani, no Julius Mkhwanazi, no Ketsma babengazi ukuthi one day siyozizwa zonke indaba. Babengazi nabo. So nalena ngelinye ilanga siyoyizwa uma kuukuthi khona okungahambi kahle ngayo. One day is one day. Kuyoba necommission ethize sobe sesihleli ke thina ke sisibuka iTV. Sekuthi angikhulume njengoba ngathi. Bye.